Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a video about how to make 3 things out of origami. First of all, we're going to make the turtle, then we're going to make an airplane, and then we're going to make a cootie catcher, and so all those things will be for you guys. Okay, so to start, we're going to go by making the turtle. Okay, so first, grab a sheet of paper that looks like this. It doesn't have to be green, it can be any color you want it to be. So first off, we're gonna have to fold it into a rectangle book fold. So we got that. And now, remember, crease really hard. So it should look like this. Okay, and then now you're gonna fold like this. Now you're gonna fold like this, and then you're gonna unfold, and then you're gonna fold it the opposite way, like this. Now you're gonna unfold that. Then now you're gonna take this, make sure you're with the lines. Just make it into a triangle so you fold in the inside. And then you do it with the other one. So it should look like this. Awesome. Okay. Well, now you're gonna fold this up. Like this. And now you're gonna take this, put it out, and you're gonna fold these triangle corners to the center. Then you're gonna do that with the other side too. Make sure they're meeting together. And now it should look like this. Okay. Now you're gonna fold this up, and then now you're gonna fold this down. You're gonna fold the other one down too, and then now it should look like this. Then it's gonna be hard for you guys. I don't know how to explain it, but you can just ask a parent for help if you need one, and then so you just, well, anyways, you're gonna fold, then it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna fold these legs down like this. Then you're gonna fold these legs up here up, just like the turtle. Then you have this so far. Well, now you're gonna fold up like legs to match to legs, like this. And you're gonna fold down like this. And then you're gonna turn it over. When you turn it over, you have a frog. And it can also bounce. Just push the back end. What? Okay, hold on. There we go. Kind of bounces. I think it's just, I don't know. Well, anyways, yours might work. Yours might work. I know it will. It will work. Mine failed though. Oh, mine did it. Mine did it. Ugh. This. Okay, so that was the frog. Now we're gonna do the airplane. So we're gonna take a sheet of paper. You're gonna fold like you did last time for the frog. So you're gonna do this, and you're gonna unfold, and you're gonna fold down like this to a crease. Well, yeah, do a crease too, and then you're gonna fold down like that and do it with the other side too. Like it should look like this. Then you're gonna take that fold and you're gonna fold it up. You're gonna fold it up, and it's gonna look like this. Now you're gonna fold. Now you're gonna fold this down and do it the other side. Well, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, everybody. So you're gonna do that with the other side. And if in case you were wondering where I was just going to blow my nose. Yeah. So now you did that. When you do that, then you have this. Now you fold these up, not all the way up like this. You gotta fold them just like an airplane. Well then, voila, you've got an airplane. So now you're gonna do that. Now you can fly it over wherever you want. Okay, so now we make the cootie catcher. So what you're gonna do is fold into triangular shape. Like this. And you're gonna unfold, and then you have this line in the middle, and then you're gonna do you're gonna do it with the opposite side, like up like this, so you can see the line when you're folding. Then you're gonna crease it really tight again on the bottom, and then there you go. You have another triangle where you unfold. Then you're gonna fold all these corners to the center. See that little spot in the center? You're gonna fold all those corners there. And so now you're gonna do this with the other side. So flip it over and flip it all the way to the center. I have no idea.
Check it out. Check it. Take a little peek ski.
Give me a second.
15 till.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, fold all these to the
Lindsay, you
center.
just left me?
And you have this.
Lindsay
So now
just
you
left
see
me in the
this.
codes?
You're gonna fold this whole thing into a book fold where you can see the four of them.
You just
Then
left.
you're gonna put your fingers in right here. Then you're gonna do it with the other side too. And you have a cootie catcher. Okay, guys, I hope you had a fun time, and I'll see you later, today. Bye.